the Freebie Kids of Texas channel.
Today we're gonna make Texas Caviar.
Show of hands who likes black-eyed peas. Neither of you? You didn't raise your hand either. Oh, right. Well, today we are gonna make a dip with black-eyed peas in it. It's gonna be yummy. It's a Southern tradition to eat black-eyed peas in a new year. Everyone needs to eat their black-eyed peas this year. Everyone. I agree.
We need good luck to our listeners, so we're making it today. Let's start with 2 cans of black-eyed peas. Which are yucky.
They won't be yucky when we finish this dip.
But their eyes.
They don't have eyes.
No.
Why do you keep saying? They're just black-eyed peas.
Yeah, they are. But they have eyes in them.
They do not. Why do you keep saying that? Please. They do not have eyes. The black-eyed peas do not have eyes. We've drained the black-eyed peas. We're going to take a package of these orange tomatoes and cut them in half. We are going to do the same thing with this package of red tomatoes. We need a variety of peppers. For our recipe, we chopped up yellow, red, orange, and green peppers. Don't even think about it.
Yeah. This looks like beautiful peppers.
Yeah, they look so colorful. We need half a cup of onion chopped. We need half cup chopped cilantro. We need 8 ounces Italian dressing.
Now we mix it up.
Let it refrigerate for a couple hours, then you're ready to serve. Enjoy this dip for New Year's, football games, and any other time. Don't forget your favorite chips. Ours are red. Boomer Sumo! If you like this video,